So guys, I hope that you have understood the poem. I have already described before you stanza wise and what is the content of the poem and what is the concept or theme of the poem. So here, on the basis of today's lesson, I am going to give you 5 words. Those are mentioned in the poetry. So please note down those 5 words. The first word is stalks. S-T-A-L-K-S. Stalks. S-T-A-L-K-S. The second word is rage. R-A-G-E. R-A-G-E. Rage. The third word is lurking. Lurking. L for lion. L-U-R-K-I-N-G. L-U-R-K-I-N-G. Lurking. The fourth one is plump. P-L-U-M-P. P for parrot. Plump. P-L-U-M-P. And the fifth word is fangs. F for fox. F-A-N. N for nest. F-A-N-G-S. Fangs. You have noted down, guys? Now, students, I am going to give you only 5 short answer type questions based on this chapter, today's chapter, and 1 question that is based on my lecture. Actually, I want to know that how far you have grasped my lecture or you have followed my lecture today. The 6th question that is based on my lecture. So 5 questions. First you note down the 5 questions. Question number 1. Who is the poet of the poem? Who is the poet of the poem A Tiger in the Zoo within inverted comma? Who is the poet of the poem A Tiger in the Zoo? Question 2. What description the poet has given in the first stanza? What description the poet has given in the first stanza about the tiger? I repeat, what description the poet has given in the first stanza about the tiger? Question 3. Where should be the tiger at this moment? Where should be the tiger at this moment? Question 4. It is a quote from the poem. So, within inverted comma, there should be inverted comma. Stalking the length of the cage. S-T-A-L-K-I-N-G. Stalking the length. L-E-N-G-T-H. Stalking the length of the cage within single inverted comma. Now the question is, what does this line mean? What does this line mean? Question 5. Give the synonym of petrol. Give the synonym of petrol. P-A-T-R-O-L. Within inverted comma. Give the synonym of petrol. And the 6th question, just now I told you that on the basis of today's lecture, 6th question is, Who has written the poem The Tiger? Who has written the poem The Tiger? Here the tiger, T-Y-G-E-R, the tiger within single inverted comma. I have already told you that who is the poet of the poem, one of the outstanding poems of this particular poet in the field of English literature. So who is the poet of the poem The Tiger, T-Y-G-E-R? So guys, this much for today. Next day once again we'll meet with the same poem, because I have to revise, or we have to revise it. Some more tips I would like to give you. So till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.